Good morning students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson that is about teeth and microbes. Okay, and in the previous class we were discussing the parts of a tooth. As you know, there are two parts of a tooth, that is the root and crown. Okay, and also we have learnt about the inner part of the tooth. There are three parts in an inner part of the tooth, that is enamel, dentine and pulp, and we have discussed all three parts of a tooth individually. Okay, and today we are going to discuss some of the questions that are present in the page number 134. Open the page number 134 and try to answer them. What they ask for: first one, put a star mark. Put this like this. Put a star mark under the terms related to teeth. They have given some of the boxes like this. See here. In the first box, crown is there. In the second box, heart. Third is jaw, root, and the last one is leaf. They have given some of the boxes here. What you have to do is put the star mark under the box which is related to teeth. Okay. So tell me, is crown is related to teeth? Yes, crown is a part of a tooth. So put a star mark under this box. Okay. Next, heart. Is heart a part of a tooth? No, it is an internal organ. Don't put the star mark. Next to jaw, no, it is not a part of a tooth. Next about root. Root is also a part of a tooth. So put a star mark under the root. Okay. Next leaf. No, leaf is also not a part of a tooth. Only crown and root are the part of a tooth. So put a small star mark under these boxes. Okay. So after this, match the following is there under these boxes. So first one, here enamel is there. Okay. Next dentine, and the last one is the pulp. Okay. Now the opposite side of this is layer under the enamel. Next one is innermost layer. And the last one is outer layer. It is outer layer. Okay. So match these questions according to their answer. First one, enamel. What is enamel? Yes, enamel is the outer layer. And also it is a very strong substance in the human body. Okay. So the correct answer for the enamel is it is the outer layer. Now the second one, dentine. So dentine is the layer which is present under the enamel. Yes, dentine under enamel. Okay. So dentine is the layer which is present under the enamel. Now the last one is pulp is the innermost layer. Yes, it is the pulp is the innermost layer. Okay. These are the correct answer. Enamel is the outer layer. Dentine is the layer which is present under the enamel. Next, pulp is the innermost layer. These are the correct answers. Okay. So after this, we are going to study tooth decay. What is that? Tooth decay. Tooth decay in the sense andre inu hallu hulakabodu. Okay, in simple words, hallu hulakabodu. Tooth decay. So tooth decay occurs more commonly in children than the adults. You can see tooth decay antandre first one hallu hulakabodu. Okay. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಹಲ್ಲು ಹುಳಕಾಗೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತವ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಿಂತಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಡೀಸ್, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟೂತ್ ಡಿಕೆ. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಯಾರು ಭಾಳ ತಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹಲ್ಲು ಹುಳಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀತ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ, yes, tooth decay will happen. Okay, so tooth decay occurs mostly in the children. Mostly ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೊಳಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾರೊಳಗೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟೂತ್ ಡಿಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, the main cause of tooth decay. What is the reason for this tooth decay? It is the bacterial infection. Bacterial infection. This bacterial infection is the reason for tooth decay. Okay. So wherever we eat food, the small food particles get stuck in between the teeth, and if teeth are not brushed regularly and properly, food particles stuck on them leads to growth of bacteria. Yes, easy. See, when how is the tooth decay happen? See, if you eat food regularly, after eating food, what you have to do? You should brush your teeth properly. If you do not brush your teeth properly, what will happen? That eaten food is stuck in between the teeth. ತಿಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೀತ್, ಹಲ್ಲೊಳಗೆ ನಡು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? That's because it is very necessary to brush your teeth twice in a day, not only once, twice, morning and after dinner in the night. It is very important to clean your teeth 2 times in a day. Okay. So how the tooth decay causes, or how the bacterial infection causes? If your eaten food will stuck in between the teeth and that will not washed out, then tooth decay or bacterial infection will occur. Okay. So this bacteria produces acids. Our bacteria ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? acids produce ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. Next, acid that damages the enamel. You acids ಏನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು? Enamel. What is enamel? Enamel is the outermost layer. ಹೌದಾ? enamel ಏನು ಇದು? outermost layer. ಹೌದಾ? So these acids will damage the enamel, and the protective layer of the teeth. Yes, also called, the enamel is also called the outer layer of the teeth, or it is also called the protective layer of the teeth. So these acids will attack the enamel and damage the enamel. They also form a sticky coating. ಅವು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೋಟನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಪ್ಲಾಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಕ್ಯೂ. ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಕ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ದಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜಸ್ ದ ಡೆಂಟೈನ್. ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಕ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಡೆಂಟೈನನ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ದ ಪಲ್ಪ್ causing holes called cavities. So at last ಏನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಪಲ್ಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಹೋಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಹೋಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಒಳಗದು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ. ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹಲ್ಲೊಳಗೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ. ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. So this is it for plaque. Also causes gum diseases that can make our gums red. ಈ plaque ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಲ್ಪನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಪಲ್ಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೂತ್. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲೇನು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬಾದಾದಂಗ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೋಲನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೋಲನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಬ್ಬಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವು ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಟೂತ್ ಡಿಕೆ ಇನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡೈ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೊಳಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗರೊಳಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ sugar items are the reason for the tooth decay. Okay. Next, if you do not take care of your teeth and gums, infection will occur in the whole mouth, resulting in falling of teeth and pain. ಇಫ್ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿಯೊಳಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಕೆಟ್ಟಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದಿನ ಹಲ್ಲು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಬಾಯೇನು ಹಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಶೇಂಗಾ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಟೀತ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೌತ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಟೀತ್, ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೀಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, so that's because taking care of your teeth is very important. Okay, so let me explain all this one more time. Tooth decay. So mostly this tooth decay will occur in the children more than adults, and this tooth decay will happen because of the bacterial infection. And when this bacterial infection will occur, if your eaten food is stuck in between the teeth, and if you are not brush your teeth properly, then what happen, this bacterial infection will happen. Okay, then after that those acids will start occurring, in between your teeth, and that acids will damage the enamel completely. Okay, and after that a sticky coating will happen. A sticky coating will occur in your teeth, and that sticky coating we called it plaque, and that plaque will damage the dentine completely. And at the last in the pulp, what is pulp? It is the innermost layer. Okay, so a small holes will start appearing in the pulp, which causes the damaging of, which causes the cavities. Okay, and one day the whole teeth in your mouth will start to get cavities, and those will start to fall out. Okay, that's because taking care of your teeth is very important. Okay, so after this one more question is that complete the paragraph. What is that? Complete the paragraph. What is that? Tooth decay occurs more commonly in children than, here you can see, to filling the blanks is there. First one, tooth decay occurs more commonly in children than the adults. First answer is adults. First dash. Second dash is there. The main cause of tooth decay is dash infection. Which infection? Bacterial infection. Bacterial infection causes the tooth decay. First answer is adults, the next answer is bacterial infection. Okay, so this is it for today. Tomorrow we will study about how we can keep our teeth gums free. Okay, how we can, and we will get some tips, and all these tips we will study in the tomorrow's class.